If you have a skill and you want to monetize that, then the best way is to create a course around your skill and then host that on a website so that people can enroll in that online course from anywhere on the planet and learn that skill from you online. And in order to host that in order to host that course on a website, you need a learning management system where your students can register, they can pay, they can enroll in the course, they can see their progress, attend the quiz and assignments, or maybe ask you as a trainer some questions. And to manage all that, you need a learning management system. And if you are building this online course website using WordPress, then in this video we are going to tell you 3 plugins that you can use to build this online learning management system. So if you are ready to monetize your skills online, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So the number 1 plugin in our list is LearnDash, and this is one of the most popular and easy to use WordPress LMS plugin with so many powerful features. And using this, you can easily create your courses, quizzes, assignments, and various other sections of your learning management system. You can create a course which people can enroll and consume it in one go, or maybe you can add a drip system which will send the course content as per your schedule. Along with that, it offers payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and 2Checkout. Along with that, it also integrates with bbPress or MemberPress or any other WordPress membership plugin. And if you look at their pricing plan, their single site license is starting from $150+. So this is a good deal if you are planning to launch your course website online. Number 2 plugin in our list is Lifter LMS. This is another powerful LMS plugin in WordPress that offers a lot of features and comes with a very clean design. It allows you to create engaging online courses and offer wonderful learning experience to your students. And the setup process of this plugin is fairly very simple. And in this plugin as well, you can create a course that students can consume in one go, or you can add that in a drip system. And if you take a look at their pricing plan, they are based on the add-ons, and you can go ahead and select the add-ons as per your need and create your complete learning management system. Number 3 in our list is LearnPress. Now this one is a free plugin and comes with a lot of features. But unlike our previous 2 plugins, it does not come with an installation wizard. You need to install and set up this plugin on your own. And with that, you can easily set up your courses, your quizzes, and various lessons in your course. Along with the free version, it also comes with the paid add-ons, so you can go ahead and check their pricing plans and select if that suits your requirement. Now, this plugin can work with any theme, but if you choose their ready-made theme, it will make your learning management system right out of the box. So these are the 3 plugins that you can use to create your online learning management system on WordPress. And if you have any questions regarding learning management system, course website, or WordPress in general, then feel free to ask that in the comment section below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.